What do you call the point directly above the origin of the earthquake?
Direct to the point.
600 pesos! Keep it or crash it!
Crush it!
What is the square root of 144?
Go!
144, wait lang.
What is the square root of 144?
Negative 3.
12?
12 is correct!
Ano ka dyan ko, Brad? Diyan ay kagmasi.
700 pesos! Keep it or crash it!
Crush it!
Wow, okay, now let's move on to Philippine history.
Patay na.
Okay? What is the longest bridge in the Philippines, completing during the Marcos era?
San Juanico Bridge.
Oo, sure na ko.
Okay?
Sa Lipin, ano?
Okay, not sure. Is that your final answer?
San Juanico.
San Juanico Bridge is?
Ano ka palilito yan? Diyan ay kasi.
Kasi kuya pa ng pito.
800 pesos! Keep it or crash it!
Crush it!
Okay.
Oh, crush it pa. Okay.
Okay. Next question. So this is science. What are the 3 states of matter? 3 states of matter?
It doesn't matter.
Age doesn't matter.
What matters the most? Matter.
The power of multiple choice.
Patay. Solid, liquid, gas.
Solid liquid gas is correct!
Tinukad bitaw?
Ayun.
Oh.
Ano naman ko nagkakatik, nag-joke naman ko ganina.
Anong pa ko ay?
Okay. So 900 pesos. Keep it or crash it?
Crush it!
Okay. Next question. What do bees collect from the flowers?
Slime.
Katong tamis, good nga yung nasa
Oo,
bulak.
ano,
Flip.
Honey. Hydrogen.
tapos put,
Dili, pet, ang petas, ana. Ang katong sulod sa iyahang ano, pet, yung ano. Ano yung tawag?
Tagamig
Ang
kama.
pwede ko la, friend. Si Ma'am Lu, ang tawagan sa kadali. Tawagin si Ma'am Lu.
Pollen! Pollen?
Is that your final answer?
Di ba? Ihang
Oo.
ginakuha para ihang ikatag.
Oo.
Pollen? Sure
Pollen.
na ta?
Manawag sa takan. Pwede ko la, friend, Ma'am Lu.
Ma'am Lo, ako cellphone. Ako messenger.
Ikaw, final lang, pilit ha, okay ra. Sige na lang.
Wala naman pwede isulot ang flowers food.
Nectar!
Okay. Nectar is correct! 1,000 pesos. Keep it or crash it?
Crush it!
Okay. What do you call the point directly above the origin of the earthquake?
Direct to the point. What?
What do you call the point directly above the origin of an earthquake? So,
Magnitude.
Dili ako ay.
Sunny point.
Dili.
Dili. Basta isa na mag-isa na isa gani.
Compass.
Dili ka nang diha nadiram kan ba nadi ang kuan nadi.
Outline? Point of origin man.
point of origin.
Maglinog diri sa Mindanao.
Borderline.
Linog nagsugod dito sa Mandog.
Oo.
Ito si tawag ato.
Ano po ano? Fault line.
Dili lagi fault line. Ang fault line kay man ang linya nga kung asa ginaagian sa linog.
Wait lang.
Ang kanang ginaano ba ginasend sa to asa text pag naay ano linog.
Epicenter!
Epicenter is correct!
Lagi na sa kumay.
Kami gulit sa kanila.
Abi na kakuan.
1,100. Keep it or crash it?
Crash it!
Okay.
NDRC.
NDRC.
Napang nag-text.
Anay linog.
Okay, next question, math again. What is the absolute value of negative 15?
So wala positive 15.
Or 15? 15?
15 wala pa 15.
Wala ni
15?
positive.
15 is correct! 1,200. Keep it or crash it?
Sige na pagkasya ta sige.
Crash it! Sita patabang.
The next question is, who was the first female president of the Philippines?
Ay, karang Aquino.
Cory Aquino. Corazon Aquino.
Corazon Aquino is correct! 1,300. Keep it or crash it?
Crash it.
Wow!
Malamang, amo man nagayaan.
What is the name of the prison where Rizal was held before his execution?
What is the name?
Oh, yes. What is the name?
Sa mga prison.
What is the name of the prison? Katong presinto. Or sa asa to?
Sa kuan. Pero ito sa Manila.
Oo.
Oo. Yan.
Bilibid. Katong gikuan nila kuan ni
Tabang mo dyan. Dili. Fort Bonifacio.
Federal Prison. Federal Prison.
Fort Santiago.
Is that your final answer?
Sige, final na.
Final na.
Final!
Fort Santiago is correct!
Fort Santiago.
1,400! Keep it or crash it!
Crush it!
Oh.
Sige, kagulay ko.
Wala, Mindanao ano. Tangkat.
Sige, kagmukbang.
Okay. Sa science, what is the chemical symbol of water?
H2O.
H2O is correct! 1,500. Keep it or crush it!
Crush it.
Okay. What are the two elements that are found in water?
Hot and cold.
No. Oxygen and carbon dioxide.
Oxygen
of
of...
two. Usa man ang two.
H. Hydrogen and oxygen.
Hydrogen and oxygen? Correct!
Charay, wala sila. Naglabing ka.
1,600. Keep it or cash it?
Sa kwapi ko ng mic. Baka di ka tubag.
Okay. What do you call a scientist who studies plants?
Plantita.
Botanist.
Botanist? Is that your final answer?
Botanist. Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
Final answer.
Botanist is correct! 1,700. Keep it or crash it?
Crush it.
Okay.
Wow, ha? Sana on.
Okay. Next question. What blood vessels are smallest
Nurse mo ka.
and connect arteries and veins?
Mix ako ano. What blood vessel?
Yes. What do you call the blood vessels that are the smallest and connect arteries and veins? Yung mga sa dalunggad.
Capillaries.
Capillaries or capillaries is correct!
Nurse man siya.
Okay. 1,800. Keep it or trash it?
Saman, kamu. Huwag
Kami rin decision day.
Ano sa kuha man ni Mike?
Crash it.
Crush it siya. Majority
Kipit na
mo
tayo, kipit
Isa
ko.
mo kipit. Ako
Wala
kipit
natin,
ko.
para sure ang pangsudan mo niya.
Kipit ko ikaw.
Kipit.
Kali ikaw.
Mo ko tubag-tubag. Magkipit na lang ko.
Okay. Keep it na sila, guys. Again, thank you very much, kay Sir